I licked the cone before it melted. All my hands are covered with dirt. The driver turned her car at the corner. Connor crashed his truck into a brick wall. Thank God I got all the things I wished for. The tiny bird chirped in the back garden. The ice cube melted with the summer sun. That bold child thumped me on the back. My parents scolded me when I tore my copy. Miss Black marked all my sums with a red pen. The turf that I put in the fire lasted a long time. The doctor ordered the actor to take a long rest. Dad got cross when I smashed the pane of glass. Darren had to get his car mended after the crash.